I just got a package from MakerFlo. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Let's check out what we got. Packaging is always top notch. So we got some whiskey decanters, always packaged nicely. This is my favorite one to do. This is the one that my customers like the most. And we got 2 of those. We got some of the brand new wine colors. We got green, purple, orange, white, yellow, and black. I love these new redesigned ones because they have leak-proof lids. We also have the redesigned coffee mugs as well. These are also spill-proof and come in some new colors. We got black, green, purple, white, yellow, and orange. And we also got some of what might be my absolute favorite thing that MakerFlo sells, are these knives. These are amazing. It's not just a pocket knife. It also is a window smasher, a rope cutter, and a bottle opener. And they engrave so nicely. These are perfect for gifts, especially during wedding season. So we got the rosewood version. We got the natural version. And we got the black one. Since I got the oven, we also got some sublimation items. This is the 32-ounce dual lid. We got the 32-ounce stainless steel. We got the 40-ounce shimmer. We got the 40-ounce sublimation. And we got the 40-ounce stainless steel. We got a bunch of different colors of the 30 and 40-ounce handles, which is always fun. And last but not least, we got one of their brand new products that just came out. This is a UV resin cure lamp. This thing is awesome. It has enough height to get over any kind of project that you're doing. And it's rechargeable, so it doesn't have to be plugged in. But the really cool thing is it also comes with this silicone mat. That has MakerFlo's logo on it. That has MakerFlo's logo on it. So we got a whole bunch of really cool stuff that we're going to craft with. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you want to see what we're going to make. And let me know down below if there's anything specific you want me to try first. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya!